Hello, everybody. It's Mr. Adam.
And Petri.
And we are here today to talk about expressing emotions. We're going to talk about 5 different emotions.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You got it. 5 different emotions and what it might look like to express them with our body. We use our body to show our emotions. Did you know that?
Oh, I knew that. I knew a lot. I love happy.
Oh, is that one of the emotions you want to choose today?
Uh-huh. Because I'm happy. Flap along with me now.
Like a bird without a roof?
Oh, yeah. That's what I can do when I flap, flap, flap.
You're right. Sometimes when we are happy, not only does it show on our face with our eyes and our mouth, but we can maybe flap our wings or even dance along with it. So a lot of people do dance or flap when they're happy. That's a good one. What's another one you wanted to do?
I want to try sad, because that's a common one, too.
All right. When Mr. Adam is sad, ready to look at my face and my mouth, especially in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's really going down.
It is. My mouth looks really down when I'm sad. It's kind of one of the things that I do.
Okay, that's a good one.
Well, how about this? Oh, you're a little scared maybe with this one?
Yeah, I kind of went, whoa,
And threw my...
arms back. What is that?
It's just a toy. It's a little mini gator that you press the teeth on.
Oh, that's not that scary. That's just a toy.
I know, but sometimes things do scare us, and we might make a reaction like you just did, where we go, "Huh."
Oh, that's a good one.
This next one is a little interesting. It's one called proud. Do you know what proud is?
What is it?
All right, well, I'm going to see if you can feel it when I give you this award. Petri, I am awarding you the Most Lovable Animal Award.
I feel so good.
That's how you feel when you feel proud. Here, let me put this around you. I got a little Dora thing like this.
Oh, I feel great. I won an award for the most lovable animal.
You are. Petri, you are an awesome little friend, and I'm very proud of you, and that's why I'm awarding you Most Lovable Animal.
Oh, that feels good.
And that was what proud feels like.
I got a question, though.
You got it.
Why did I win it?
Oh, that comes to our last emotion, is confused. When we have a question about something and we don't know the answer, we might put our wings or our hands up and go.
Oh, so you're a little confused?
Yep, you might put your hands up or your face looks puzzled, and some people even freeze.
Oh, not bad. So we went through happy,
Sad, scared, proud, and confused.
I think we got all 5.
Kids, nice work learning different ways to express emotions. We gotta go. All right.
Everyone have a great day. Bye.
You do have a great day. Bye.